Brunswick Police Department in Medina County has issued an Amber Alert for 7-year-old Taiwan Bayman. Last seen at his home. Last seen wearing no shirt, unknown bottoms, wearing a gold chain necklace. Suspect is Tyrika Bayman, 32-year-old female. She is known to drive a 2014 silver Ford Escape with a Queen sticker on the upper left rear window. License plate Ohio KIG 1234. The vehicle is believed to be traveling east into Pennsylvania with an unknown destination. Anyone having information on this abduction, please call the Tipline at 330-558-6809 or dial 911.